Well, some voters here in Wisconsin found the decision so concerning that they organized a protest immediately. Grace Olch was there, new at 10. She has you covered on what Wisconsin voters think of the decision and what they'd like to see happen come November.
We're afraid that it's going to create a precedent where presidents can then do malfeasance and terrible, heinous things and then just chalk that up as official acts and then be above the law. And it's just troublesome.
Nick Ramos, executive director of the Wisconsin Democracy Campaign, says as soon as the Supreme Court's decision on former President Trump's election interference case came down, he wanted boots on the ground. Advocates outside the courthouse say they wanted to remind Wisconsinites how powerful their voices are and why they think it's so important for them to get out and vote.
To say that somebody is above the law when we are based on a constitution saying everyone is equal, when we have fought for decades that everyone is equal, to have that happening is a disappointment.
While demonstrators say the decision is unacceptable, a political analyst at UW-La Crosse says former President Trump is on a roll.
This has been a very favorable stretch of the campaign season for him because he's got the wind at his back coming out of the debate. And now Trump has learned today that the January 6th trial almost certainly will not occur prior to Election Day.
Chairman of the Wisconsin GOP says they commend the Supreme Court for the fair-minded ruling they issued today, protecting both the appropriate authority of the commander-in-chief as well as the rule of law. In Madison, Grace Olch, 27 News.